Today we're going to take a look at Naked Armor's Silver Fox Wet Shave Kit. The first thing in the kit is a shavette. Now it is made out of stainless steel and aluminum, so it is very durable. Now the shavette is nice because you don't need to worry about learning how to strop a straight razor because it is a replaceable blade with all of the convenience of a straight razor. Now before you can use that shavette, you really need to slicken up your face, which is why Naked Armor has included a handmade shave soap in with this kit. The scent of this is eucalyptus and lime, and I have to say that it is a lighter scent, but a very nice one. The soap can make either a bubbly or a thick lather. It's all up to you. Now how are you going to make and apply that lather? Well, that's where the synthetic haired shave brush that they also have included in this kit comes in. You can make any kind of lather with this. It is a nice medium soft brush, and it really helps transport all of that nice lather that you are making with it onto your face. Now I don't know about you, but I am not a fan of cold lather. And even sometimes using the hot water out of the tap to make the lather just isn't quite warm enough. Well, that's why Naked Armor has included a stainless steel scuttle in with this kit. All you have to do is put hot water inside of it and it will warm up the lather as you're making it. To get yourself this shave set, head on over to Naked Armor's website.